channel, gangsters. So I haven't really shown you guys what the car can do, so let me go ahead and show you guys some clips I took in Mexico. It's not bad for a stage 3 91 octane car. As some of you guys know, I'm running J Innovation RS6 hybrid turbos, 635cc EV14 injectors, Wagner intercoolers. I am still running the stock white pipe and bipipes. I haven't had any issues with that other than the ripped stock throttle body boot that I replaced with the Samco silicone boot recently. I'm running an 85mm MAF housing slash intake. I have an ET spec stage 3 tune. I am on 91 octane, that being the highest octane available here in Colorado, where altitude is 5,200 feet above sea level. So we're taking a hit on power as well. After driving the car 5,000 miles with no issues, I think it's time to refill the AC system with some Freon. I'm properly refilling the system. I've never done this before, but I did do some research, and I'm doing this by running vacuum through the lines. This helps find any leaks and removes any condensation from the system. You should do this if the system has been opened and exposed to ambient air. If you don't do that, ice will build up in the system and it can damage the compressor, the condenser, anything else inside the system. So I went ahead and did that. I just rented some tools at AutoZone. Surprisingly, everything went well. Now the AC is blowing cold air through the vents and it's very comfortable right now. Once I got that sorted out, I moved to replacing some worn out exhaust clamps. The previous exhaust clamps that I had, one of them was broken and the other two were just the original mid-pipe to catback exhaust clamps. They were leaking some air and they didn't sound good, and a lot of exhaust fumes was getting into the cabin, so went ahead and got that replaced with some new ones. And even though that is fixed, I would still like to get a resonator delete because I think my resonator is damaged. I get a rattle slash raspy sound at around 2,500 to 3,000 RPMs. It's not a pleasant sound. I don't like it. It's not super noticeable, but I can hear it and I know it's there. And I mean, who doesn't like to hear their turbo through the exhaust? Next, I address an electrical fan issue that I've been having. My fans only turn on when I turn on the AC, and when I turn off the car, they will also kick on at a very low setting. They never run when the car is running, even if the car begins to overheat a little bit. So it's making me believe that something is wrong with the system. I did replace my fan control module. I even bought a new electric fan because I thought that that's what it was. My last one was burnt out. I did run 12 volts through it and it never kicked on. But after I replaced all that, I checked out my relays and I tested them and they're clicking on and off just fine. I decided to just change out the blue fan switch that's located in the lower radiator hose. I replaced it with the male sensor that I bought on FCP Euro. This is my old one since I already swapped it out, but just to show you guys what it looks like, I got a new retaining clip and a new O-ring as well. I went and I took the car for a test drive. I took it on the highway. I did a few pulls on it, drove it a little hard, and lo and behold, still nothing. The car still gets hot. My oil temps get up to about 220 when I'm beating on the car. They never hit 250, but I feel like it wants to hit 250. I'm not sure if 220 is already a high oil temp, but that's what I've been seeing lately. Honestly, I'm starting to give up on the original wiring for the fans. I think I'm just gonna get 2 new electric fans and their own relay system and get them set up and just get over that, because I've been throwing money at the car, diagnosing it, and there's just nothing I can do to get them to run. But it's just too much of a pain in the ass. I'm not good with electrical, so I'd rather just get some new fans. Well, thank you guys for tuning in. That's the end of this video. I came by to pick up a Little Caesars hot and ready pizza. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Helps me out a lot.